Randy Zeno from the demo shop. I'm going to show you how to tune up your engine on your RapidFire. I'm going to show you how to change your spark plug right now for a tune-up. You got to pull this wire off. You're going to stick your socket wrench in there. You're going to loosen it up. Now when you install your new one, we're going to check your gap. It should be like between 25 and 30 thousandths. Then you can install it back into your motor. I usually try to start it by hand first so you don't cross thread it. But this one looks like it's not going to be friendly about that. So I'm going to stick it back in the socket. I'm going to snug it back down. And you're going to plug your plug wire back in. Like that, and that's how you change your spark plug. Now I'm going to show you how to change your air filter and inspect it. Remove this wing nut, pop the cover up off, remove this wing nut, okay, and this is a pre-filter. You can remove this, you can wash this if it isn't badly dirty, and if this is dirty you need to replace your air filter, and it should look like this. Now I'm going to show you how to reinstall it. Put this pre-filter on, and you just stretch it over, and just tuck it all around the edges. Then you install it back in here, and your thing has a little rubber nipple that sticks in here. Push that back down on there. Put this one back, bring that back on, and just snug it down. Don't over tighten it. Put your cover back on, and your other wing nut, and just snug it down. And there, that's how you do your air filter. This is how you change your oil. You're going to need one of these suckers to suck out the oil in this model because it's harder. It makes too much of a mess to drain. So you would take this, put it down here, and you pull your dipstick out. Oh, nice. And you put the sucker hose in where the dipstick is, and you just pump this, and it'll draw it out of the machine. And this is where you're going to add your oil. You put a funnel in there and just pour it in, little by little. Then you're going to check it. And your dipstick has two marks. It has a lower mark and it has a higher mark. The higher mark is the full mark. I'm Randy Zeno from the demo shop, and this is how you do your tune-up on your RapidFire.